Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday, if you can say that. I know a lot of us have been experiencing problems uploading to Merch by Amazon. It actually started last night at about 8 o'clock Eastern, 8 p.m. Eastern, where I started getting like flooded with rejections, and it has carried through to today. So it appears to be happening to, if not everybody, most people. I know I've seen a lot of people talking about it on social media and whatnot. I don't have any contacts at the merch team. Last night, even though I never really contact them through the contact us form, I did reach out and I said, I think I messed up. I'm not really sure why this is happening, but I've noticed a pattern and I apologize, I don't know what to say really. And I did get a response that wasn't the generic response. It said basically, hey, we're looking into it. So that's really all I have to say. I would recommend probably just not uploading for a while because yeah, it seems like everybody's getting pretty much every submission rejected roughly ever since 8 p.m. last night. You know what I mean? And my inbox is flooded with rejection emails. If I had anything else to share, I would share it. I guess put it this way. If I find anything else out, subscribe on, YouTube. I'll put a community tab update out there. And the best place is to be in my Merch by Amazon Facebook group, which I'll link to in the description. That's really it, guys. I had a separate video planned for today, but this is definitely something that I would have dropped a video on earlier, but I was out working on installing a Helium miner. If you guys know about Helium cryptocurrency, if not, look it up. It's pretty cool. And that's what I was working on all morning. So I got back, recently and got this video out as soon as I could. Anyways, guys, let me know if you have any feedback or things you want to share in the comments below. It's a nice place to kind of network outside of Facebook with other merch sellers. And yeah, hopefully this gets fixed soon so we can resume uploading. Anyways, have a good day.